Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something that I believe is crucial for our well-being and success. It's about the dangers of making decisions in anger. When we're angry, our emotions can cloud our judgment, leading to decisions that we might later regret. When we're angry, our brain releases stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones prepare our body for the fight or flight response, which can be helpful in emergency situations. However, when we're angry, our brain's prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making, is impaired. This means that we're more likely to make impulsive decisions that we might later regret. I'm sure we've all been in situations where we've made decisions in anger, only to regret them later. For example, have you ever sent an angry email or text message only to regret it later? Or have you ever quit a job or ended a relationship in the heat of the moment, only to realize later that it was a mistake? So how can we avoid making decisions in anger? Here are a few tips. Take a time out. When you're feeling angry, take a step back and give yourself some time to calm down. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness practices like meditation and deep breathing can help you stay calm and focused, even in difficult situations. Seek advice. Talk to a trusted friend or family member before making a decision. Sometimes, getting an outside perspective can help you see things more clearly. In conclusion, making decisions in anger can have serious consequences. By understanding the science of anger and taking steps to manage our emotions, we can avoid making decisions that we might later regret. Remember, it's always better to take a step back and calm down before making a decision. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.